Here to do the commissioning of a split AC system, 10 kilowatt Mitsubishi inverter. As you can see, we've got his gauges set up to monitor operating pressures in full test cooling mode. Also got his digital clamp meter taking the running amps of the compressor. They're all running around 3.2 amps. The system is in full test operation mode. Now, as you can see here, monitoring pressures of the system, and that's working in good order. We're now going to take some temperatures, the air on and air off, in full heating mode, just to check that it is working correctly. As you can see, the air off mode in full heating is 40 plus degrees and climbing. Installation and commissioning fully completed with the security cage now fitted. Job complete.